got no issues, it's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion.
Spend it with you.
This is every single morning. He does not want to go to school. I don't know if it's when Nona with me have him, even when German have him no one go to school. When I'm since after 5, I want to sleep. Could not sleep last night, by the way. Didn't fall asleep till what I'm assuming was after 1 a.m. I know something. I do a lot of self-assessment. I know something. She going camping. So it says solo camping in the rain in my small black cart bar. Making the tent now. Yeah, her dog. She had her dog with her everywhere she goes. That's her dog. She goes camping a lot. Yeah. She wants to go for the destroyer, so she's putting it up. I told you guys that I'm waist training, right? So I took off my waist trainer this morning right before I fell asleep. That's probably either to 12 or after 1 or whatever. But after I took it off, I fell asleep like a couple times after, like I don't know, probably half an hour after or whatever. Yeah, me I go straight up in the room. The boys I'm outside.
Shake me awake. Bring me back to reality. Head on my pillow, but I'm not getting any sleep. The world's been waiting, where were you? Everything you want, waiting for you. All that's left to do is left to you.
Said to only film the one video. I feel so sad. I don't know if I'm going to have time today to film another video. I only could film one. I'm going to have shoot. I'm going to have to send these files to here, shooting down my laptop, and I have to pack up back all of this because I can pick up the boys. I'm gonna want, you know. Shut down. I want word, man. I don't know if it's him specifically, but bro, every time I walk past, it's a somebody calls to me, and I'm ill up. I mean, I am a bitch when I'm on the road. Don't get me wrong. I don't talk to people unless I know you, especially men, because Jamaican men are very pushy. So you have to be aggressive with some. You have to be temperamental with some. you have to be friendly with some. Everything I'm doing is not of my own volition. That's not my first choice. So yeah, I'm rushing now to go for the boys. I'm going to walk and go for Jaleel first. Then after Jaleel, I'm going to go for Jonathan because pickup is at 12, heading into town. I really wanted to film a Q&A, but no thank you, but I don't. I'll be able to. They're both purples. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, since I'm doing like lifting exercise and back waist training and stuff, and I'm I am unconsciously doing what I eat in a day because I actually set the meals. So yeah. Shit, I was going to tell you something a while ago, but my mind just went weird because I'm vlogging and a lot of cars are passing me. It's so weird that I still cringe when I do these things. Shit, I forgot what I was going to say. Walking, right? Yeah. So no, one of the reasons why I think I lose weight, how you guys say quickly, is because I don't have a vehicle. And my first instinct is to walk. Which is why when I pack my bags, when I'm going on the road, rather, I have change of clothes. Because I plan on walking, because I already sweat. And even if I don't plan on walking, even if I just plan on like just going on the road, I still have to bring change of clothes because I sweat. You see me? Yeah, I walk a lot. I move my body basically. It's going to be more difficult for you if you have a sit-down job like a call center, a desk job, one that you're not out in the field. I used to work even promotions. So promotions is a really good job if you want to lose weight. I'm not saying get jobs to lose weight. I'm just saying as long as you're moving up and down, you see me, it will help. It will shake your body out of that. And because as well, sometimes I take these breaks where I'm working out, not working out. When I start back, is that my body just, look at him. Jamaican men are just, they are epic, I swear. I haven't been all over the world to know like different ethnicities or whatever of men or nationalities. But even when we go America, boy, the Jamaican man them blood cleanse. I didn't like you. Oh, yeah, me them a look here. Oh, I could have bicycle him ride them a tow your blood cleanse got work. Okay, it was the bicycle man have good sense of direction. You know what I find sexy? I find sexy when a man see me, like if him have a vehicle and him see like him a go somewhere and him stop and him a say, yo babes, you good? You good? And I say, yeah man, alright. And you go. Because your intentions, were to carry me if I had said yes. But if me say no, like don't be an asshole. Don't push. I don't know what woman, and the thing is, I have a pet peeve that I didn't want to say it initially, but I don't like when I'm driving and a man and a man offer me a ride. It's very damsel in distress-ish, and I don't like that shit. I should have said, that's what I wanted to say, because when I like when them stop me and I get pissed off. I'm like, nigga, I'm walking, but let me walk, I don't need you. It feels like them I say, me need them. I don't like that.
I said, pretty little mama, you really got me torn up. Making young and wanna pour up. You the one I wanna call up.
I'm at the place that will not be named, but don't touch that, puppy. But yeah, just don't. I have to pick up Jonathan early today, Jonathan and Jaleel. And yeah, Asuka I'm attacking. And I thought his father had the teacher's number. He doesn't. I don't know which number belongs to the teacher. I don't know my son's teacher's name. We're not allowed on the premises. It's like the more I come to this place, the more I just, it's so draining coming here. God, it's so draining. Oh, and then they want to add me to the WhatsApp group. I don't have a WhatsApp number anyway for them to add. But I heard nobody can talk in the WhatsApp group. That's what I heard. Nobody can talk in the WhatsApp group. Only 2 people alone are allowed to post in the WhatsApp group. Can you imagine? There's a WhatsApp group that has to be with my child for school, and the parents aren't allowed to talk. Now, I don't care if you think that the parents are going to be too cumbersome to this. That's a part of your job. If you're going to create a group, you don't create a group just to give information but not want any requests, not want to have a drop it, and do not want to have a conversation. You cannot play with that, pops. You can't create a group for it to be one-sided. Don't put that in your mouth. It's the stick. The innocence of the stick where you broke Jaleel. Nobody no want to catch you. I am heading to the mall. I have had watches. I went there to get my watches fixed. Probably 2 months ago. Them called me. Probably a month ago saying, "Hey bitch, your shit's ready. What's going on?" But they were nice. So I'm heading there now. I'm getting sick. I feel it. I have a headache. I hate this so much. I can't afford to be sick. And if I'm gonna be sick, it's gonna be a weird vlog if I'm sick. Cause I ain't editing nothing out. I'll be like, yep, it's the vlog. Welcome to the vlog.
Hey, life is what you make it. Days like this, yeah, I swear that I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. Hey.
Oh, it looks brand new. Oh my God, you did an amazing job. Oh, I don't know if it's because I endeavored to vlog, but the craziest things have been happening to me that is very, very vlog worthy. And I'm like, ah, shit, this can happen. But you know how them saying, like with the law of attraction, I have something to say about the law of attraction and manifestation, because when God, I call him daddy, created, and the reason why I call him daddy is my own. If you're uncomfortable with me calling him daddy, then that has something to do with you, and that has nothing to do with me. My level of comfort should not cause you discomfort, and if it does, that has nothing to do with me. Nothing.
It's
Hallelujah, Avan Mabane. Stop lick off the flood. It's night time. I'm in different clothes. Went out for drinks. I'm not saying I'm drunk, but I'm not saying I am a woman. Alright, so welcome to the end of the vlog. I like doing these vlog endings. They're cute. So welcome to the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. I about to edit this vlog and start another day. A lot of filming happened. I hope I can edit this down. If I'm going to do long vlogs like this, I can't have no fancy edits. Just you have to like jump because it has to save like memory when editing. So bye guys. I hope I was in frame.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual